Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing my monthly wellness haul of my essential rewards order from Young Living. So I'm a Young Living member. I am obsessed with the company. I'm obsessed with their essential oils and their products and their quality. I just love it. So I am on their like rewards program. It's called Essential Rewards, and I place an order every month. You don't have to be on it, but it's amazing. And basically I get like 20% cash back on like everything that I order. And we get so much of our stuff from there, like household stuff and supplements and skincare and makeup and all of those things. So it just kind of makes total sense to be on it and get all that cash back. So I have this huge box right here. It was a big box this month, and I'm gonna be sharing with you everything that I picked up. So let's get started. Okay, first things first, we got a ton of Ningxia, you guys. So let me grab this big old box. So this is Ningxia Red. This is actually the Ningxia, I'm gonna put this down, the Ningxia ER kit. So if you're a Young Living member and you don't know about this yet, so if you drink Ningxia every day like we do, it's basically like a insanely high antioxidant drink that it's like kind of it's like a puree, and you only need like a shot or two a day to get an insane amount of antioxidants. So like, I mean, so much more than you can get from like, you know, blueberries or something like that. And it's made from goji berries. So I'll show you the big bottles. This is what they look like. So I never really show these on ER hauls because I haven't had to buy it, because I ended up getting like a free year supply of it. But we do drink it every single day. So now that our year supply has unfortunately run out, I'm gonna be ordering this all the time. So with the ER kit, you actually get 4 bottles, and then you get a ton of, these are like the single packets, which is really nice. We definitely go through, or we use the bottles more than we use the packets, but the packets are nice, especially for summertime. We're traveling all the time to the beach. We have some trips coming up, and it's nice to just be able to have our Ningxia on the go. But so we'll be good for like the next 2 months with this big Ningxia ER kit. But the ER kit is like the cheapest per ounce. It's like the most affordable way to get your Ningxia, and it's so freaking worth it, you guys. This is like such an amazing thing to support your body. Antioxidants are huge. They do so much with keeping our oxidative stress levels down. So important. I have a whole video, a Nutrition 101 video on antioxidants. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. And this is just a way to like flood your body with them, with antioxidants easily every single day with just like a quick little shot. So easy. And it's also really good with just like a splash of it in sparkling water if you want like a yummy drink. I could talk about Ningxia all day. It's so powerful, so incredible. We drink it daily, and it is so worth the investment in your health. A little bit every day, it makes a huge difference. Okay, so then I'm just gonna go over some products that I picked up. So I actually did a restock of some of my favorite Seedlings products. So I got the Seedlings. This is the baby oil, and I use this on Hayden all the time. I love layering it with the lotion after bath time. So after she's out of the bath, I use the baby oil, and then I will go in with the lotion as well. This is the lotion, and she is 6 months old, and I'm just now repurchasing these, and I still have some left. So they've lasted me a really long time. I use the lotion on her every single day. I also love their diaper rash cream. It's so good. It works so well. And obviously it doesn't have any scary ingredients. You guys, you have to be so careful. Like, so many of the products that are out there, like personal care products that are out there on the market in the US for adults and babies especially, they are filled with scary stuff that disrupt hormones. They can increase our cancer risk. They can mess with like our lungs, like giving us, you know, breathing issues. They can irritate skin. There is just so many things, so many chemicals that are in our products that are like unregulated, and that we don't even know about if they're, you know, in like fragrance. So just be really careful out there, guys. Do your research. Try and find products that you know you can trust and that are safe and are not just like marketed as natural, but truly are natural and don't have any of the scary stuff in there. Fragrance is a big one. So for me, I mean, for all of us in our family, but especially Hayden, I do not want all of that stuff going on her tiny little body. There's like studies that show that even in utero, like babies, like their cord blood is tested, and they already have like upwards of like 300 toxic chemicals found in their blood. So we got to be more careful, because the regulations that are supposed to be regulating our products are not very careful. So Seedlings, I absolutely love. They are totally safe and non-toxic, and they have a little bit of essential oils in there, obviously, which I love. So she's getting like tiny little doses of essential oils to support her body. And they smell amazing because of the oils. It's like the most lovely light baby scent ever. Okay, and then speaking of Seedlings, I also got 3 packs of the Seedlings wipes. So this is actually the first time I've tried these. I don't know what has taken me so long, but I'm so excited to try them. They smell amazing. You can smell them through the package. So it comes with 72 wipes, and I got a pack of 3, and they will last a while. So obviously these, you know, are baby wipes, so you would use them as baby wipes. But a little fun hack is, I know a lot of people use these actually to replace dryer sheets. If they don't want to use wool balls and put oils on them, you can just throw one of these in there, and the smell, like the Seedlings line, it just has such like a light, fresh scent, so it's actually perfect for laundry. And they are like really thick, durable baby wipes. From like what I've seen in like videos and stuff, I'm excited to try them for myself. And you can tell, like this package is thick. You can feel that it feels like wet towels in there, honestly. So pretty cool. So I'm really excited to try those. Okay, the next product that we picked up, this is another restock, and this is the lavender hand and body lotion. You guys, it smells, you can smell it actually through this. It smells so good. So we like to keep this on our either mat or my nightstand. I love moisturizing my hands before I go to sleep anyway, but it's just kind of an added bonus that it has lavender in there, so it's like very calming and dreamy, and anything like the Young Living lavender smells so good. I never was like a fan of lavender. I never liked the smell, but that's because I didn't like lavender fragrance, like the artificial smell of lavender, but turns out I love the actual plant. I think it smells amazing. So I am like obsessed with this. I also love the lavender body wash. Another restock, something the Bristow household could not be without, and that is the chocolate protein powder. Matt eats this every single day in a protein shake. I have, like, he'll make me a protein shake every now and again. I'm not like an everyday protein shake kind of person, but I do like them every once in a while, and this one is like delectable, you guys. This is the best chocolate tasting protein powder I have ever tried. It is so creamy, it is not chalky in the least, and the flavor is just like spot on. You know how like protein powders can have that like fake sweet aftertaste, and you're just like, I can tell this is a protein powder. This literally tastes like a milkshake. Like, I am not kidding. It is like the best protein powder I have ever tried. And I feel like I've tried a lot through the years. So cannot recommend this enough. If you haven't put this on your ER order yet, do it. I also love the vanilla spice. It's really good, but I prefer, if I had to pick, I would prefer the chocolate. Okay, those are all of the products for this order, and now I'm gonna run through the oils, and then at the end I'm gonna share with you guys all of the things that I got for free this month. I got like a couple $100 worth of free stuff, and I do on every single order, which is cool and actually really crazy. So I'll go over that at the end. But I got a bottle of grapefruit. I order grapefruit every single month because if you follow my Clove and Arrow Essentials Instagram, I am diffusing grapefruit all the time. I don't think a day goes by that I don't diffuse it. It's just my favorite citrus. It's just so happy. It smells good mixed with anything. Love it so much. And then also I get a big bottle of lemon as well because we just go through lemon like crazy. Matt loves lemon. It's probably one of his favorite oils. I diffuse it all the time. Not quite as much as grapefruit, but probably on a very regular basis. So we just go through those two really quickly, and I just leave them on my ER order, which, by the way, if you don't know, it's not like you set up like a subscription order and they send you the same stuff every time. You edit it month to month, or if you just want to get like a bottle of lavender every single month and maybe something else you like and never edit it, they'll just keep sending that if that's what you want. Totally up to you. So I just leave the grapefruit and lemon on my order. I don't like delete them, and I just make sure that I get them every month, and I don't like forget to add them, which is really nice. Okay, so a couple other oils. So a bottle of Juvaflex. I've been going through this every single month. This is like, if you have the reference guide or the reference like app, definitely look up Juvaflex. It's kind of a really, really cool oil. It's like for supporting the liver. And I've just been using this daily just to kind of help support my body with its own natural detox pathways, and just kind of like supporting that and helping my body do what it's supposed to do. So that's Juvaflex. And what else? Then also I've got a big bottle of Endoflex. This is an amazing oil for supporting the thyroid. We have some like really crazy testimonies in our Facebook groups of ladies pretty much who started using this, and like the pretty remarkable changes they've seen in their thyroid function, especially those who have had like issues with like, or maybe like an unhealthy thyroid in the past. So EndoFlex is really, really amazing for supporting the thyroid. And I like to like roll it right down my throat every single day, right over my thyroid. And it's been a long time since I've had to restock this bad boy. It lasts me a really long time. So that's EndoFlex. It also smells like really spearminty and really yummy. I love the smell. Okay, a couple more oils. One which is totally new to me, and that is carrot seed. So I never hear people talk about this oil, but if you follow me on my Clove and Arrow Instagram, recently I shared I made a roller for that lovely, you know, those bumps on your arms, and I also have been starting to get them on my legs. It just seems to have gotten worse postpartum. So I made a roller with lavender, frank, and tea tree, and it definitely helped. They're not gone, but I do think that it helped like diminish them, especially on my legs. They're almost completely gone on my legs. However, I wanted to see if I could make it even more effective, and when I was doing some research on those really pesky bumps, this oil, carrot seed, kept coming up. So I am going to add this to that roller I was using to see if it like bumps up the effectiveness, and I've heard people say that this like really was a game changer for them in supporting their skin, for it to just be healthy and the way that it's supposed to be. So I'm really excited to try that out. Okay, the next oil, oh, I love this oil so much, and I actually ran out about midway through last month, and I was very sad because I've just been like into applying it topically all the time recently, and that is Sacred Mountain. This oil does not get talked about enough. This is probably one of my top favorite oils. It's funny, when I was pregnant, I was like really turned off by the smell. I like loved it before pregnancy, and then during pregnancy, like not that it made me sick, but it just smelled totally different to me, and I was just like over it. But ever since having Hayden, slowly I've been getting back into using this blend, and I'm just like just as in love with it as I was before. If you like Valor, you're going to love Sacred Mountain because it has like kind of that sweet smell. It's so, so good, and I love using it. It's like a really good like grounding, emotional support oil. It just rocks as a perfume. Mixing this with Inner Child as a perfume is so good. So anyway, Sacred Mountain, I've been applying it all the time recently. I love adding this to rollers. I love diffusing it, just like literally in all of the ways besides ingesting it. I just love this oil so much. Okay, now I'm gonna share with you guys freebies for this month, all the things that I got for free. So first things first, we got 2 bottles of citronella totally for free. So both Matt and I actually place an ER order every month. This is like our combined orders. And we both hit like the first level to get free citronella oil, so that's why we always get 2 usually of like the first promo. So citronella is, you know, just like you would use citronella candles outside to keep all of the, you know, annoying things away. That's exactly what you can use this for if you'd like. So you can diffuse it outside. Some people even make their own DIY like outdoor citronella candles, so they're not using like citronella fragrance, which is gonna be full of toxic chemicals and hormone disruptors and all kinds of nasty stuff that we don't really want in or around our bodies. So you can actually make your own candles with this, or you can just set up your diffuser outside. That's probably what I do because that's just like the easier route, just saying. But if you want to get creative and make some candles, that's awesome. But then also you can use this for a bug spray as well. So if you have your starter kit, using citronella, peppermint, and lavender in a bug spray, with just like some water and maybe a little witch hazel, perfect. All natural, it will be amazing. Also, if you have the purification oil, you can throw that in there, and you will be like happy as a clam. So that is a really good way to use citronella. Okay, other oils I got totally for free this month are lime, which is awesome because I was actually going to order lime, and now I don't have to because I was gonna get it for free. So I got lime. I have been using this so much recently to diffuse. It smells just like limes, so it's very, very refreshing. It's very like uplifting to diffuse, and I'm just obsessed. I've been using this a lot. This also mixed with, well, lime and Stress Away smell amazing together. You could totally use that as a perfume. But then also lime and the Gentle Baby blend, which is like used, it's most popular for like pregnancy and babies, but also smells amazing. Mixed with lime, also such a good perfume. So if you have that, try it. And then also diffusing it as well would be amazing. So that's lime. And then I also got a bottle of NLBS. So this is Northern Lights Black Spruce. This is one of my top tree oils. It's probably Idaho Blue Spruce will always be my favorite. But Northern Lights Black Spruce, on the other hand, is probably a close second. It is so fresh and woodsy. It kind of smells like very masculine and like almost like a cologne, but it's just straight from a tree. So it's totally natural, which is really cool. I love to diffuse this, especially for sleep. It's so good for sleep. And then if you just want like your house to be really refreshing, and just like smell like the outdoors, like fresh air, this is a really, really good one to diffuse. Okay, the next thing that I got for free this month is this moisturizing bar soap. This is the peppermint cedarwood one. So I actually currently am using the lemon cedarwood. I go between that and like the lavender body wash, and I love it. Their bar soaps, you guys, they last forever. Like I know bar soaps last a long time anyway, like especially if you keep them up out of the water, but something about their soaps, like they just last so long. Like they are just really good quality soaps, I guess. I don't know. And I love it. It like foams up really nicely, and it's obviously totally natural. It smells amazing, but without any scary perfumes that are in there, like artificial stuff. So this is the peppermint cedarwood. So I'm nursing right now, so I am not going to be using this on my body. I'm definitely a little more careful with peppermint. I diffuse it all the time, and I'll even use it here and there, like straight on my temples, just like a drop if I have head tension. But I just like to keep my peppermint use to a minimal as far as topically applying, because it can decrease milk supply. So I won't be using this on my body anytime soon, but Matt can definitely use this. And I feel like peppermint cedarwood is actually gonna be like such like a manly scent, so I feel like he's probably really gonna like this. So that'll be for him. Okay, and then also for free, which is super exciting because we usually order this anyway, if you've seen any of my previous haul videos, and that is Ningxia Nitro. So Matt loves these. These are his like pre-workout, or sometimes he'll make like a Ningxia balm with Ningxia Zing, Ningxia like the puree I showed you, and then one of these Ningxia Nitros. So it's kind of just like a little energy shot, but without any of like the questionable ingredients that are in the ones that you can get like in the store. And they obviously have Ningxia in them, so they're super high in antioxidants. There's a little bit of caffeine, but it's just like a little boost. And if you are someone who likes to reach for like a little something like this to boost your energy, this could be something really good to look into, because it's just kind of like a cleaner alternative. Plus you get that added bonus of tons of antioxidants. Okay, and then lastly, it's just kind of fun, we got for free. These are like Ningxia Nitro socks. I don't know if you guys can see. And then on the foot, like on the bottom of your foot, it says, if you can read this, bring me nitro, which is really cool, I think. Yeah, Ningxia Nitro. So really fun. All right guys, so that is it for my ER haul for this month, the month of June. Got so many goodies. I'm so happy to be restocked on Ningxia and our Seedlings products and some of my favorite oils. It's a good month. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are curious about Young Living, you want to become a member so you can like get the discount. By the way, you never have to share or anything like that. Most people are members just so they can take advantage of like essential rewards and their products and their oils and like everything that they have. So I always have a link down in my description box. If you guys want to sign up and become a member, you can join our team. I'll get you in our Facebook group, so you always have product education for everything that Young Living offers. And yeah, it'll be great. So that's all I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.